So I'm building this PVC kind of roof over my deck, keep the rain off of us, and it's great stuff. The only problem I had was trying to cut it. If I used a knife, it would crack it. If I used a skill saw with a fine blade, it would cut and then still crack the plastic. The tool I found to be the absolute best is one of these multi-tools, oscillating blade. And I just use this one's actually for wooden drywall, but tiny, fine little blades on it. And it just kind of fits into these grooves perfect and just slices right through. It does leave these plastic kind of little burrs behind, but with a little piece of sandpaper or an X-Acto knife, you can just clean those right off. It's all cleaned up, trimmed up. Like I said, this oscillating multi-tool with this blade on here, this does the trick.